What is AI and how it's changing school and jobs? Explained simply. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down something you've definitely heard a lot about: artificial intelligence, or AI. People keep saying AI is the future, but what does that actually mean? Especially for students. How is AI showing up in school, and what does it mean for your future career? Whether you're already using tools like ChatGPT to help with homework or just wondering how all this tech is changing the world, this video will explain AI simply and show how it's shaping both learning and the job market. Post speaking or voiceover with relatable visuals. So first, what is AI in simple terms? AI stands for artificial intelligence, and it's when computers are designed to think or act like humans. That could mean understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, or even having conversations. If you've ever asked Siri a question, had Netflix recommend what to watch next, or used Grammarly to fix your writing, then congrats, you've already used AI. Examples of AI for students. In schools, AI is becoming more common every day. You might be using apps like Grammarly or Quillbot to improve your writing, or ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas or get explanations. Apps like Notion AI can help you summarize notes or organize your study schedule. And it's not just students. Teachers are using AI too. It helps them create quizzes, grade faster, and even personalize lessons for different students. Basically, AI is turning education into something faster, smarter, and more tailored to how you learn best. Pros and cons section with visual balance icons. Of course, AI has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it saves time, helps you study better, and supports different learning styles, whether you're a visual or auditory learner. But there are also things to watch out for. AI tools can sometimes be wrong or outdated, and if you copy answers directly from them, it could count as plagiarism. Plus, depending on AI too much can keep you from learning the actual skills. The best advice? Use AI as a helper, not a shortcut. How AI is changing jobs. Now let's talk about jobs. AI is already changing the workplace. In marketing, it helps write ads and analyze customer data. In healthcare, AI reads X-rays or helps with diagnosis. In design, it creates layouts and even digital artwork. Sure, some jobs might be automated, but new roles are being created too, especially ones that combine human creativity with smart tools. Knowing how to use AI might not just help you in school, it could make you more employable in the future. Preparing for the future. So how do you get ready for an AI-powered future, even if you're not into coding or tech? Start simple. Try using tools like ChatGPT, Canva's Magic Design, or Google Docs Smart Suggestions. Watch beginner-friendly videos on how AI works. Take a free AI course. Google's AI for Everyone is a great place to start, and most importantly, grow your human skills: creativity, critical thinking, teamwork, and emotional intelligence. These are things AI can't do, and they matter more than ever. Calm music with key tips on screen. To wrap it up, AI is already here, and it's changing how we learn and work. But you don't need to be a tech expert to keep up. Be curious, try new tools, and use AI wisely, not lazily. Pick one AI-powered tool this week, whether it's for writing, organizing notes, or brainstorming ideas. See how it fits into your routine and start building your digital confidence today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our video on using AI for homework, plus more tech tips to help students stay ahead. See you next time.